Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the black iPhone XR. So let's get in with this unboxing and setting up. And this phone did come with free eye care, as you can see. And yeah, it's very nice. It gives you an extra year of warranty. You can have a discount in the screen repair and also technical support, which is really cool because eye care is worth much more money. So let's unbox this phone. So as you can see, this does have this type of tab over here. But so now let's go through a little look around on this box. So now at the back you can see that it is the 128GB version of it, and it's just gonna tell you your serial number, and what's inside the box, and some other necessities, which I don't know who would read them all. So now let's start unboxing this box. So now, as you can see, it does have this tab over here. So now let's do this. So now let's pull off this plastic wrap, and I'm gonna keep quiet so you can hear the satisfying sound. And that's how easy it is. And on over here is just gonna tell you some information about this phone from the dealer, which is the iStore. So now here is the box, and it does look very nice. It's 3D over here, which is really cool. So now let's do this. As you can see that the box does it. You need two hands to open it. It's like so. Now right when you take off the box, you get the Designed by Apple in California. Oh, here is the Designed by Apple in California. So when we take that off, and I'll get to this right now, but here is the phone, and you just pick up this, and here's the phone. Wow, it is a very beautiful phone. It's like the black is very nice. So now we're gonna go to the Designed by Apple in California. So then when you take off the phone and the Designed by Apple in California, you get a 5-watt charger, which is wrapped in very nice good quality plastic, and you have your earpods but no lightning to headphone adapter or 3.5mm adapter, and then you get your charger. And the brand new charger looks very nice. It's a very nice color. It's white and things, compared to like when you use it, which I'm going to show you a clip on how my old charger looks like. So now let's move all these things on the side because I'm not sure if you're that interested in them. So now we're going to go through the Designed by Apple in California. And you you do get Apple stickers, as you see. Then you get some instruction manuals, the SIM eject tool, got your starting guide, as you see, Face ID, your home button, and everything you need to know, which is really cool, as you see. So now, I think we're done with that. I'm just gonna quickly pack this up. Done with that, we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna go to the impressions of the phone. And as you can see, this, it does come in this very nice plastic. It does have these type of matte matte edges, which looks really cool. So now let's turn on this phone. So we're just gonna lift it up and it will say hello. We're gonna swipe up to open, and we have to slide over there, and it will make it go faster for you. So now we go to South Africa. Then, if I do have my iPad and my iPhone here, but I want to show you how to set it up manually, because it's going to be much more easier if I just take the iPad or the iPhone, for example. So now we're going to press set up manually, and it will take a few minutes to activate the phone. I'll just lay it down. So now it's gonna give us the data and privacy. You must press continue, or if you want to press, you can press learn more if you don't know what's this. So you press continue, then Face ID. So I'm gonna quickly set it up. So when we press continue, it's supposed to show us our face. It's gonna say first position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. So I'm gonna get started. So when you press get started, you must go over here, fix my hair, and then just move it. And that's cool. So it says first Face ID scan complete. That's really cool. And now it will say this again, so you can just complete it. So now second Face ID is complete. Now it's all set up. Now we're gonna press continue. It then creates a passcode. So I'm just gonna create my passcode. So I created my passcode now, and we're just waiting for it to load. Now for the apps and data, since I didn't take my iPad or my iPhone to this phone, so it's not gonna give all my apps. So I'm just gonna press this either from restore iCloud backup or transfer directly from iPhone. But I'm busy using my iPhone for recording, so I'm just gonna press restore from iCloud. So now I have to do my Apple ID. Now we just wait, then verification code. So as you can hear, the iPad has received it. So we're just gonna take the iPad and let's see, where is it? So now it's gonna say this on your Apple device. You're gonna press allow, and then it's gonna show the code, and then you just type in the code. So my code is 070853, and then it's gonna load, and you're just gonna have to press OK over there. And now it's done. So I'm gonna quickly put the iPad away. So now, here are the terms and conditions. You must agree to the terms and conditions, because if you disagree, it's just gonna, look at this. It says, if you do not agree to the terms of this license, do not use this iOS device or download the software updates. So it'll also want you to return it back to the Apple Store where you got it from. So let's just press accept. So now it's gonna make us choose our backup. So it's gonna load our backups. So here is our backups. So I can either take it from my iPad or my iPhone. I'm just gonna press the iPhone. So after I press the iPhone, it's gonna say keep your iPhone up to date. I don't really like the automatic update, so I just install it manually. Then, and if you want, you can enable location services because it's important. And then the Apple Watch. And now it recognizes my watch. So now we're just gonna press continue. And now let's go with Siri. This is for improved Siri and dictation. We're gonna press share audio recordings. Then this is the iPhone Analytics. I have no problem sharing it with Apple app Analytics. So now this is software update. So if you want, you can just do it like that. What does this? So now we just learn more. Okay, that's, yeah, go on, swipe back. Okay, you can't swipe back. So passcode. And now we just, I don't know, I think you have to wait for it to install. So I'm just gonna lay it down and let it do its thing. So now the software update is complete. So it wants me to unlock my phone. Yeah, but it wants me to do my passcode for now. And now we just have to do the password for my Apple ID. And if we hit next. So I think it is done with the restoring from iCloud. I don't know why it's off, but let's turn it on. Everything's gonna turn on. Yeah, I can see the screen. I don't know why it's doing this. I'm gonna press the power button again. I think I should give it some time. Ah, there we go. Here it is. So now it's completed. So now we press continue. And then we have to do the Apple ID password again. Oops. Yeah, you see, people do mistakes. Now it's just busy updating the iCloud settings. This is going to be a long video. I can really tell. Okay, so now can you see why Apple has made so you can, with the ecosystem, because if I just restore automatically with my iPad or my iPhone, I wouldn't be having all this. So this is for your display zoom. I just like the standard version. That's zoom.
I'm on it.
Yeah, you see Siri's busy.
Get that.
Yeah, just
Could
stop.
you try again?
And then you're gonna press continue, and now it's gonna give us some gestures.
I
You
didn't
see-
get that.
Yeah,
Could
you
try
see
again?
Siri is busy activating on the iPad. Stop. There we go. Then we press continue. We can switch. It's showing us some advice on how to use this. And control center. Then it's gonna tell us welcome to iPhone. And when we swipe, here it is. And all of my apps are downloading right now. All of them are downloading. So when we go to settings, here's our settings. And yeah, you can see we can change the name, we can change everything of it. So thank you for watching this video, and in a week's time I'm gonna give an initial impression of this phone, how it was when I was using it for a week. Is it worth it in 2020? And I'm also gonna do a camera test. I'm gonna test it out on the iPhone 11 and this phone. I think that would be a very cool test. So I'm just gonna have to set up my Apple Music and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching. May you have a nice day as always, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.